Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. Guys, today I'm going to discuss the problem minimum dominoes rotation for equal row. First we read the question and understand the problem. Then we will discuss the intuition behind the problem and then the code. Begin in a row of dominoes, tops of and bottom of 5. Represent the top and bottom values, bottom halves of the ith domino. A domino is a title with two numbers from 1 to 6, one on each half of the side. We may rotate the ith domino so that tops of I and bottom I swap values. Return the maximum number of rotations so that all values in the tops are same or all the values in the bottoms are the same. It cannot be done, return minus 1. We have the test case. Now we'll try to solve the problem. Okay. Now we have to solve the problem so that the either tops or the bottom, so here it should be all with the same number. It's like a imagine a die. Here in the top, 2 is there in the bottom, the starting value is the 5. We should be clear that either the top or the bottom, it should be on the same, should be the same number. So the number should be present either on the top or the bottom on each one. Here the number 2 is present on the top, and then the second column is present in the bottom, third column on the top, and the bottom on the fourth row, fourth column in the bottom, and fifth column in the top, and sixth column in the top, and also in the bottom as well. Here we can observe that the number should be present either on the top or the bottom. If it's not present, we should return minus 1. Here the question tells this. And, we can solve this problem. We will solve this problem. First, we will take the experiment in the top, which is 2, and the first element in the bottom, which is 5. Check uh, the 2 is present in either in the top or the bottom in each column. Here it is present, here it is present, here it is present, in this column also it is present. In this column also it is present. So there is a solution with the 2. If there is also a 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. This can be calculated, and so the minimum answer will be the answer. So in this problem, we have the 2 in each column, either in the top or bottom. So we'll go with the 2. Actually, take two variables. One is top, bottom. We'll set this as 0. As they given in the array, we'll loop the top or bottom, the array length. No problem. Now we'll keep in two if conditions. If the number is present in the top, we will leave the top. If the number is not present in the bottom, we will increase the bottom. Here in the first column, the number is not present in the bottom, so we will increase it to 1. Then in the second column, it is not present in the top, so we will increase 1. In the third column, in the bottom, it is not present, so we will increase 1. And it becomes 2. And in the fourth column, it is at the bottom, so we'll increase the top to 2. The column it is in the top, we'll increase the bottom to 3. Fifth column, sorry, in the fifth column, it is in the both top and bottom, so we will not increase any of this. So we'll take the minimum of top and bottom. The minimum of top and bottom, it is 2. So Answer is 2. See here, if any one of the starting values of tops and bottom, either 2 or 5, it is not present any in every column of the top or bottom, either in the top or bottom, in every column, then we should return -1. Otherwise, it's not. So here the answer is 2. So next step is here the top 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, and bottom 3, 6, 3, 3, 4. Here check. Top and bottom are 3, but in the second column, I mean the second element in the top and the bottom, it's not 3. So directly you can return -1 here. Here on we'll start with the code. The key is here we should consider either first element of the top or first element of the bottom, because either here 2 should be present in all indexes of either in the top or bottom, or 5 should be present in every index either in the top or bottom. So we can arrange either all the tools in the top, either all the tools in the bottom. For that, I'm taking these first two first element of the top and first element of the bottom in the array and looping it. And inside the loop, I'll create two variables. I'll consider two variables. One is top and bottom. Variable holds the values like if the if the target value means here 2, we'll start with the 2, is not present in the top, then we'll increase it by top by 1, because we should bring the 2 to the top. We should bring the 2 to the top. So it's like that. And if the 2 is not present in the bottom here first, so we'll increase the bottom. So by that we can bring the 2 to the bottom, it means. So we'll find the minimum rotations, minimum or minimum flips from the top and bottom variables. We'll return it. If either 2, I mean first element 2 or the 5, is not present in any index either in the top or bottom, we'll return -1. We'll go firstly, we'll create an array and hold the values of the 0th index of the top and bottom values and loop through it. Set the for loop. We'll consider two variables as I said. Consider a boolean also.
Now we will loop to the given array for finding number rotations.
Now we will give a condition like if the tops of 5 not equal to target, bottoms of not equal to the target, then there is no solution with the I mean here the target. Then we should go to the next one, next element, I mean bottoms of 0. Then it will check it, and if there is no solution with the bottoms of 0, then we'll return -1. We'll keep a condition at the last and we'll return -1. Uh, Here test equal to false. No need to check other conditions. We'll break out of the loop and we'll check the bottoms of 0. If the tops of 0 not satisfies, then here fails. condition is tops of I, tops of I not equal to target. We have to bring to the up. We have to bring the target to the up. So it will be in the same row. So we should increase the top. We give another condition in else if bottoms of I not equal to target. It means like we have to bring the element to the down. It is in the up, we have to bring it to the down. So
so that we can
number of rotations
calculate the
required.
total number of
We should
rotation
implement it
to
because
bring it
there is
all
number of
down.
rotations. We have to rotate it to bring it down. Bottom plus this. Then after this inner for loop, we'll check the our boolean. The boolean is if the boolean is true, then we get the answer with the first top, I mean first element of the tops. If it's not true, it will check with the second element of the bottom, first element of the bottom. If it is true, then it will we give you a condition if the boolean is true, we'll return the minimum of top and bottom variables. Otherwise, we'll return -1. It means there is no solution of this. I mean, it's like yeah, we don't have either three in the second. I mean, second element of the tops and bottoms. Then minimum of top and bottom. Otherwise, we should return -1. Sorry, here is a small mistake. So, can't give a new keyword before creating an array for creating an array object. No, it will work. No, don't accept it. So we'll submit it and we'll work. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.